OAE Hearing Screener Operation Introduction. Button for 4 directions and OK for confirm. On-off button. Port for probe. USB port. On-off button on right. Boot and enter the interface. Please set up the date time as first use. The probe is connected to the earplug and calibration chamber. Probe access device. Select checking. Test probe. It means it's passed the testing if the test results show pass. Simulation test. Keep silence during testing. Left ear testing for TEOAE. During testing. It means pass the testing if result pass. Left ear testing for DPOAE. During testing. It means pass the testing if result pass. Long press for 2 seconds to power on. The blue light flicker means it's on. Open the print interface. Select Bluetooth connection in the lower left corner. The device is connected successfully. The blue light keep long bright. Select the patent ID. Select print. Thank you.